Hello, and welcome to this HelloID update video version 4.4. Today, we are very proud to present our first version of HelloID Provisioning. We will start with a conceptual overview and then demo the software. Please keep in mind this is our very first version of HelloID Provisioning, and over the next few months, we will continue adding more and more functionality to this module. Here's the conceptual overview. It boils down to a sync between an HR system and the Active Directory, and this is the demo we will be showing today. We will start with the mapping information between HR and persons in HelloID. The persons is some sort of vault information. This will help trigger the task to execute the sync, and you can have this sync task. After the sync, the information will be updated in the person's vault. You will then be able to browse through all the information in the person's vault. Auditing and history log down here in the clipboard graphic. The lightning bolt signifies an event being triggered. And in this example, it will be triggering that the information in the person's vault is being updated, and then it will execute an event. On the event, we have defined a few actions, basically updating the user accounts in the Active Directory. The sync task is already available in HelloID. It is our automation task mechanism, including the scheduler. The event mechanism was also already available, as were the actions. Our new additions are the event logs, person's vault, and the mapper. These really help with the functionality of the Provisionings module. Let's look at this in the software. We are logged in as an admin, and here's the new option, Provisioning. Under Provisioning is the definition of systems. Here we have AFAS, which could also be Workday or Kronos. In this example, AFAS is the HR system and will be used to map the persons with Active Directory. For now, let's focus on getting information from the HR system. We click on Edit Mapping, and you can see the mapping from the PowerPoint presentation. We have our HR system, and this is the mapping information to HelloID Persons information. And now we can map the fields here, and we can preview the changes we are making in this mapper. Let's look at an example. Source Object. Here is all the information coming from the HR system. And over here on the right, we can see what the effect of the mapping is. Let's make a small change to show you how it works. We're going to change the first name in this example. This used JavaScript. Now you can see the direct impact of the change on the right. You can customize this in any way using Java. You can also make additional mappings so you have the freedom to make the definition translation of HR to HelloID for your organization. Let's make a change in the HR system to show you how this all works. Let's choose a user in the HR system and make a small change to the person's name. Now the user has been updated, and we go back to HelloID. Go to Automation and then Tasks. And now we search for the HR system, so we execute the sync between the HR system and the persons in HelloID. We execute the task, and we can see it retrieving information from the HR system and making the updates to the persons in the HelloID vault. Let's go to the full browser in HelloID and look for Boat. And we can see the modification we made. We can open the details and see the full object information. Under History, we can see the auditing information, like when the user was created. Next, some information was added, and here is our modification. And here under Events, we can see which events are being fired off based on that change. Let's get a detailed view. Here is where we created a new ticket in the help desk system, and it also updated the user in the Active Directory. We can open the process log to get more detailed information. Most of this was already available in HelloID. Let's take a final look through the Active Directory. We search for Boat again, and below we see Botins. This confirms that the Active Directory has been updated. We know that the changes made in the HR system are accurate and in line with the Active Directory. This is just the beginning, and we are excited for the functionality to come in the next few weeks and months. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions. Have a fantastic day.